In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between old Outlook to new Outlook. If you've been using the classic Outlook on your desktop and want to try the refreshed experience, this walkthrough will make the transition smooth and predictable. Start by opening the classic Outlook app on your computer. This is the full desktop application you've been using, not the web version in your browser, and not the Mail app that comes with your operating system. Give Outlook a moment to fully load your inbox so everything is stable before you make the switch. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the Outlook window. You're looking for a switch labeled New Outlook. It usually appears as a small toggle. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing the Outlook window or expanding the ribbon. Sometimes a narrow window can hide the control. On some screens, it may sit just above your message list or near the app's title bar, still on the right side. When you've located the new Outlook toggle, click it to turn it on. As soon as you do, Outlook prepares to transition your interface and settings. Nothing is deleted, and your accounts and mail stay connected to the same profiles. You're simply moving to the newer layout and features. A confirmation prompt will appear. This message lets you know that Outlook will restart to complete the switch. Review it so you're aware of what's about to happen, then confirm to proceed. If you have any unsent drafts or open message windows, let them finish saving first. The restart is quick, but it's smart to avoid losing any in-progress work. Outlook will then close and reopen in the new version automatically. The first launch may take a moment while it initializes the updated experience and refreshes your mail. When it opens, you'll notice a cleaner design, updated navigation, and modernized settings, but your folders, categories, and mail should be right where you expect them. Allow a little time for all mail to resync if you have large mailboxes or multiple accounts. If you don't see the new Outlook toggle in the classic app, it may be hidden by your organization settings.